Healthy Wednesdays. Today I'm going to be making a baked apple dish that uses no added sweetener. And I always try to get a nice mix of apples. Usually I start with 10 to 12 apples, but I figured go big, go home. I ended up with 16 apples. After we slice the apples and squeeze a little lemon on it so they don't get brown, we then put ginger. Now I love ginger, so we use a lot of ginger. It's now ready to be spiced. I start with coarse or kosher salt. Sprinkle that on. Then the next big thing I put on a lot of is cinnamon. And I sprinkle it all over. I add a little more ginger powder because there's never too much ginger. After the cinnamon is cardamom because I love that. I put just a little bit of nutmeg. Clove I think I added on my own because it's warm and I have it, but you have to put very little. And the other thing I got, it's called pimento here, ground pimento, but it's actually what we know in the US as allspice. And that's it. We're going to spoon this all up, mix it together. Now we've done that. The next thing that gives it the sweetness, because I add no sugar, so I sprinkle a bunch of raisins. The raisins are in, it's ready for the oven. I put it at 210 degrees Celsius, conventional oven, which is about 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Well, it came out of the oven. It took about an hour. Because I used 16 apples, it took a little bit longer. And you see from 16 apples how little this actually became. Wait till you taste this. It is delicious. I usually have it with oatmeal in the morning, and I also love it as a dessert with yogurt on top. Enjoy!